Hi folks, Rod here with KT Connections for our monthly video tech tip. Last month we discussed a common holiday scam, but today let's concentrate on Microsoft bookings. Go to office.com, log in with your business email address and password. Next, we'll click on Bookings. Bookings allows you to make scheduling and managing appointments virtually hassle-free. It includes a web-based booking page, which is integrated with Outlook. It gives your customers the flexibility to book a time that works best for them. Email and SMS text notifications reduce no-shows and enhance customer satisfaction. As you can see, there are two booking pages, personal and shared. We'll use the personal booking page today, but shared bookings can be used with a team of people. First, we need to create a meeting type. You add a title, add some notes pertinent to the purpose of the meeting, a location, including Teams for remote use, the length of the meeting, whether the meeting will be public or private, use your regular meeting hours or customize them if necessary, and check to make sure your regular meeting hours are accurate. Then you can add a buffer time before the meeting, a buffer time after the meeting, limit the start time to a 30-minute interval or another type of interval, and then set up a minimum lead time and a maximum lead time. Lastly, you can set up an email reminder or a follow-up email after the meeting. Click on Save, and this is how your booking page will look for anyone that you share the link with. It indicates the current date and then availability based on your Outlook schedule and existing appointments and your maximum lead time. Back on the home page, you can copy the link to your personal booking page. You can share it via email or add it to your email signature. And lastly, you can edit the banner image or simply turn off your booking page. It's really that simple. I suggest you take some time to test out bookings as a nice time-saving tool. Next month, our tech tip will highlight additional productivity steps to help you be more efficient. So stay tuned.